internet, so today I'm going to be partaking in the second installment of Cooking with Ashley. I know, this is really exciting. You guys just had such positive feedback on the other video, so I decided to make a second one. And by positive feedback, I literally just mean one person saying how much they loved my family. Not even me. But anyways, today we're going to be making, say it with me, blueberry muffins. This is exciting. I lost the page number, so we're just gonna have to find that real quick. First things first, we need whole wheat flour, fresh blueberries. I mean, they're not like fresh, but actually they might be old even. No, they're good. Light vanilla soy milk, which I honestly don't think we have, but almond milk will have to do. Honestly, I hope this is the equivalent of soy milk, because if not, we don't want another banana bread rehash, okay? The flashbacks are happening. Sugar-free pancake syrup. What? Wait. Liquid egg substitute. Boom. Next. Splenda no-calorie sweetener. Granulated. Brown sugar. I think this is brown sugar. It smells like what brown sugar should smell like, so we'll go with it. Light whipped butter or buttery spread. Applesauce. This actually saved the banana bread, so this is what my better banana bread looked like. I know, that is some impressive shit. So we're gonna trust the old-fashioned applesauce here. All right. Okay. Baking powder, vanilla extract, salt. We have our ingredients laid out. You see all this? This is professionalism, you guys. Do you see this? Look at all of our ingredients. Is that sanitary? Who knows? Whatever. It's okay. Directions. Preheat oven to 400. Boom. In a medium mixing bowl, this is medium, combine flour, Splenda, brown sugar, baking powder, and salt. Oh my god. Crap, I need my apron. Alright, doing this on my own is much more difficult than when my sister tied it for me. Okay, that'll have to do. It won't stay on, but it's just to protect my clothes, okay? Alright, it said a 1/4 cup of the sweetener. Shit! Holy shit. Okay, well, we'll clean that up later. That's everywhere. Holy shit. We're gonna get ants galore. We're going to have ants all in our house for decades and decades. Oh my god. Alright, that's like approximately a 1/4. What the hell is this? Well, I didn't even notice this fall down. Oh my god. We're gonna hope my fat ass can squeeze in this. Wait, what? How do you even... Oh, I'll just like step into it. Okay, after I add the salt, that'll be it. And then the dry ingredients can all go fuck. I mean, I was gonna say all the dry ingredients can go fuck themselves, but my family doesn't really want me talking that way anymore. So after this, the dry ingredients can go have a party. Okay, they'll have so much fun. I mean, M&M might even show up, who knows? Was that a baking pun? Oh my gosh, it might have been. Grab a big ass spoon. Oh. This is a thick one. It said mix well, so we're going to mix it well. I think that's well mixed. That's honestly good enough. Okay. In a large mixing... Okay, wait a second. Let's get all these dry ingredients, these crusty, dusty dry ingredients out of here because they're just in my way. Bitch, I'm not ready for you! There's our dry ingredients. Let's take the... Oh my god. The large mixing bowl and combine the almond milk, not soy, almond. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're fine. Use an electric mixer or whisk. Who do you think I am? I have muscle. Okay, this is... Oh my god, that's all just fat. But there's some muscle somewhere, maybe, I don't know. Do not worry if butter bits do not break up completely. Okay, how much soy milk am I putting in here? A half cup. I really hope this isn't where it all goes wrong because, I mean, granted, that whole fiasco with the, do you think this is fine? What's the difference between soy and almond? Oh my god, that smells so f***ing good. I mean, it just smells good, not the bad word. I didn't say that, I'm sorry. There's also some syrup mixed in with that, but that's okay. It's all getting mixed together anyways, hunty. Ew, I hate when I say that. No. Get hunty out of my vocabulary. That's one. There's the butter. I'm not gonna lick my fingers because I'm not a little fat ass that just eats butter, okay? Yeah, no, that wasn't worth it. It doesn't really taste good. Honestly, applesauce smells like shit, but I am a fan. Yeah, I like her anyway. Like, applesauce is one of those bitches that, like, she smells like ass, but, like, she's just so fun to be around, and, like, she's there to comfort you when you need her and when you actually want her. So, like, we deal with her, you know? Alright, this is where I always fumble, okay? You guys know this. Honestly, I think this is the, like, difficult for everybody, but I always put too much vanilla, or, like, I'd always ask for too much even. Half a teaspoon, like, that's a lot of vanilla, you know? All these recipes call for half a teaspoon, but it just seems like so much. So I don't think we're gonna do the full teaspoon. I did a little bit, but, like, still not a hell of a lot, you know? Alright, then we can put that cap back on and put her in her decorative safe haven. Love you, boo-boo. Have a ball, but not too much of a ball. What? Okay. If you turn out like shit, I'm gonna be so pissed. That's a gross sound. Ew, stop. Also, this looks like... Okay, I'm gonna let you think of what it looks like, okay?
Can you see, or is it all just floating on the bottom?
So it's like shit brown, but like sewer shit. Like it looks like sewer water, okay? Like, Pennywise is thriving. Whatever, we're leaving it. I'm just f***ing patient today. I said another no word, I'm sorry. Add dry ingredients in the first mixing bowl to the wet ones in the large mixing bowl and mix until completely blended. I think, oh my, there's so many butter bits in here, it's not even funny. Are the butter bits supposed to still be here? I don't know. I don't think they're leaving the party, honestly. I think they're here to stay. The butter bits are like those people that stay at the party like the next morning. Like they crash in the basement because they fell asleep or something. Oh my god, these are so difficult to separate. Who the hell bought foil liners? These are the ugliest things I've ever seen. We'll just do this side then. One more. No shit, Ashley. That's basic math. Okay, there's 6. And then we have to put the blueberries in here. How many though? 1 cup fresh blueberries. Okay, again, they're not fresh, but you do you. Alright, so we're just gonna put these in this cup. Ew, that cup is hella sticky. There. Also, I need a few more for the road. Okay. Also, I just chewed with my mouth open. I'm so sorry you had to see that. Here's our cup of berries. Not fresh, but there they go. Oh, that was such a fun time. I wish you guys could have seen that. Look at them all. Oh my gosh, they're all just having a fun time. Wow. That's such a fun experience.
Oh, you guys are so cute.
Okay, well, honestly, I think this is good enough. She said when her life turned to shit. Oh my god. I'm just gonna spoon it in instead. That's definitely more successful because I have more control over the spoon, you know? Wait, this could totally make more than 6. We might be able to get a few more out of this. Also, is it weird that it's like the entire muffin is blueberry? I feel like when people, like when restaurants at least, have blueberry muffins, it's just the top that's blueberry. Or am I? No, that's wrong. No, that's totally wrong. The blueberries throughout the whole thing. I can totally make another one. We're doing it. Okay, let me grab another liner. I know what they're called now, you guys. They're not just cupcake tinfoil thingies. They're called liners. Alright, she's our special one, okay? This one on the end here, who no one thought could even live, because they said only 6, but guess what, bitch? She's number 7. Okay, and then we're just gonna throw those in there for about 22 minutes. Also, it said big fat blueberry muffins. These are the size of normal cupcakes, so whatever. Whoa, not 40 minutes. You're getting ahead of yourself there, honey. Okay, 22 minutes. Now all I can do is hope and pray, depending on, you know, if the big guy's listening. Love you. Ugh, that was a lot of syrup. I'll check in with you guys after they are done, hopefully. Or when I poke at them. I'll let you know. So I just took them out of the oven, and I don't think you guys saw any of that because I think I forgot to hit record. I took them out, and I went like this. Oh my God, they are done. Also, this little queen did not disappoint. We knew she was the unwanted one of the group, but did that stop us from appreciating her and for loving her and for giving her a chance? No, it did not. These honestly look so good, like holy shit. I wish it wasn't like 4:30 and I'd have to have dinner in like a few hours because I want them. I want them bad. They obviously have to sit for a little bit before I can even try them. Right? Here on Ashley's baking show, we say screw the rules. Oh shit, wait. Well, here they are. They look so good. Oh my God. I literally do want to try a piece. So we're gonna grab a plastic fork because we're not bougie enough for utensils.
Ooh, look at that inside. Oh my God, Dad, that looks so good. Okay.
Taste test. Really hot, but so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. These literally turned out so good. They are 137 calories each. These turned out really, really yummy. I'm so proud of them, like for real. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the second installment of Cooking with Ashley. Technically Baking with Ashley. If I was cooking, we'd be making a full-on meal. But I'm too lazy to change the name. Or is it Baking with Ashley? I think no, it's Baking with Ashley. I just keep calling it cooking. Goodbye. Thank you for tuning in to Baking with Ashley round 2. I'm gonna be that bitch. If you do recreate these, please tag me on like Instagram or Twitter or whatever platform it is that you have. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next Sunday. Do. I don't have an outro yet, so. Okay, bye. You guys are funny if you think I'm making that shit and not copying a YouTube video out of it. Oh my God. Hello there, internet. So today we are going to be installing? No, this is the second installment. That's what I meant. I can't reach the whole wheat. Oh my God. Holy shit. This is turning into a MUFFINS. I am Trisha Paytas. What?